My name is Lisa Lacroix. I'm a speaking, communications, and relational coach, a certified feminine embodiment teacher, and that is the frame through which I'm going to share some essential communication skills. Maybe you hear about communication all the time and you're wondering why. Does it really matter? Effective communication might be one of the most underdeveloped and critical skills for us as a humanity right now. Maybe more than ever before, which is ironic because we have more tools, more reach, more access to each other than ever before. And yet we are more disconnected and more lonely than ever before. More people are single and alone, and increasingly people are opting out of relationships altogether out of fear or lack of skills to maintain them. Our relationships with loved ones too often break down and are rife with misunderstanding and misinterpretations. Divorce is at an all-time high. Thriving in the workplace, financial independence, and career success all hinge on effective communication and emotional intelligence. Yes, emotional intelligence too. And increasingly, as AI handles more and more of the implementation of the prescribed task-based logistical work, interpersonal communication skills will become and are becoming increasingly more important and a massive differentiator. As a collective right now, we are at a stage in history where divisiveness is the norm. And I'm talking about between countries, in politics, even between men and women. And all of this threatens not only our ability to connect and form and maintain friendships and to find and deepen love, but it even increasingly puts our safety and even our continuance as a species at risk. And I don't think I'm overstating that case. Right now, people feel more depressed than expressed, and self-expression is central for our happiness in the world, for the feeling of being known and seen and understood. And when we don't know how to communicate concisely and authentically and with clarity, it can result in us feeling ineffective, disconnected, and demoralized. So yes, I believe that effective communication is essential for all things human right now.